Hi guys, in your first video today you learned how to find area, and we learned that the formula for area is area equals length times, sorry about that, times width. Okay, so let's do some practice together. You'll need to get this packet out of your materials, and you're going to we're going to go past the perimeter. In this page you're going to find what is area. Okay, and we know that area is length times width, but area is actually the number of square units, so the number of squares a certain size needed to cover a flat surface. Okay, so in our example it says this garden is 3 feet by 10 feet wide. Okay, and to find area we could say there are 3 rows, okay, of 10-foot squares. So there would be 10 little squares in this and 3 rows of them. Or we could multiply, because we know that 3 rows of 10 is the same thing as 3 times 10. So we're going to multiply 3 times 10. We could also do 10 times 3. It doesn't matter the order. Okay? And our answer would be 30. Okay? And in our video, they showed writing feet with a 2, because we use 2 measurements. But we can also write square feet. But this symbol, feet with a 2 at the top, means square feet also. You can use either one. Okay? So let's look down here and do a few together. I want you to do it along with me. Okay? We know that area equals length times width. So I'm going to plug in my numbers. Okay? So area is 4 times 8. And 4 times 8 is 32 square yards. We write square yards because we're thinking of how many squares cover this. Cover the inside. Okay. You could also write SQ yards, or you could write yards squared. Okay. Let's look at this one. We know the area, remember the squares that fill it up, is length times width. So my length is 5, my width is 11. Okay. 5 times 11 is 55. Remember, we're just imagining how many squares fill this up. So it would be 5 rows of 11 squares going across. Okay. The next one is area equals length times width. My length is 9. My width is 7. 9 times 7 is 63 square units. Okay. Let's look at this one. My area is length times width, so my length is 6. My width is 8. It doesn't matter the order, remember. And 6 times 8 is 48. Okay. Today your job is to turn the one page, and you're going to complete this page. I remind you that area is the amount of space the object covers, so how many squares would fill this in. You're going to use length times width. Your equation would be the problem you use to solve it. Okay. For example, if you look back at our other page, let's look back at it. 5 times 11 here is my equation. So you're going to write the equation and your answer right here. Area is blank square units. Remember, it uses units because we didn't identify what we're measuring with. You're going to complete this page today.